Most investors completely misunderstand UFO, thinking space stocks are too risky right now. But successful investors know that the fastest way to make big money is by gaining strategic exposure to high-conviction risk. That's where UFO comes in. Without the headache or complication of picking individual speculative stocks, this fund gives you a piece of the entire space revolution driving the future global economy, from rockets, satellites, and global internet systems. If you want a front-row seat to potential explosive growth, UFO demands your attention. Part 1. What is UFO? UFO is the Procure Space ETF. It is the world's very first pure-play exchange-traded fund dedicated entirely to the commercial space economy. UFO completely ignores standard Earthbound companies. Instead, it tracks the VettaFi Space Index, targeting companies that generate at least 80% of their revenue from space-related industries. This covers satellite communications, rocket launch services, space infrastructure, and orbital hardware. The loop here is absolute genius. Instead of trying to predict which specific tech startup survives the next decade, you are owning the companies that every modern government and tech company is physically forced to pay to operate in space. Part 2. Key characteristics. UFO originally launched back in 2019, and as of right now, it manages over $1.2 billion in assets under management. This massive influx of capital is driven by critical structural catalysts, including a massive wave of global satellite defense contracts and the highly anticipated SpaceX IPO looming on the immediate horizon. UFO packages this exposure for a competitive 0.75% expense ratio. It even offers a minor trailing dividend yield of around 0.66% paid quarterly. But make no mistake, you aren't buying this fund for passive retirement income. This is an aggressive growth play built around a future where orbital commerce and space products are in extreme demand, capturing a multi-trillion-dollar sector that most of humanity still views as science fiction. Part 3. Top holdings. UFO's portfolio consists of roughly 52 positions heavily concentrated in deep aerospace and orbital communications networks. Its top allocations feature leaders like Rocket Lab, Planet Labs, Viasat, Iridium Communications, and SiriusXM. But here is the real hidden kicker that Wall Street is whispering about. The looming SpaceX IPO is rumored to target an unprecedented multi-trillion-dollar valuation. When that stock officially hits the public market, index tracking rules mean UFO is automatically positioned to become one of the premier vehicles for instant, concentrated SpaceX exposure. By holding this fund, you are securing a front-row seat to this space giant. Part 4. Performance. Because the space race has officially shifted from science fiction into a multi-billion-dollar industry, UFO has been delivering absolute performance. Look at the numbers. Year-to-date, this fund is already up 69.31%, and it has provided a massive 189.12% total return since its inception, or around 16.4% per year. The most elite macro analysts on Wall Street are setting massive expectations for this sector moving forward, proving that space exploration isn't just one of humanity's oldest desires. It is rapidly becoming one of the most profitable potential plays in the market. Part 5. Why invest in UFO? Smart investors are adding UFO for 3 critical reasons. First, the SpaceX frontrun. Wall Street is actively pumping millions into UFO as a tactical proxy trade ahead of the massive SpaceX offering. By building massive institutional accumulation loops today, they are front-running the single most anticipated IPO in history. Second, growth multipliers. Because the commercial space economy is just stepping out of its infancy, these specialized infrastructure businesses are right at the beginning of an explosive adoption curve. UFO is the ultimate vehicle to extract pure capital appreciation before the sector becomes overcrowded. Third, capitalizing on the bottleneck. By utilizing this strategy, you aren't just speculating on a trend. You are gaining highly concentrated equity exposure to a physical choke point backed by mandatory government defense contracts and massive commercial telecom expansion. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into UFO over the next 30 years, and it continues to perform on par with its 16.4% per year return since inception, your portfolio could grow over $2.7 million. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns.